Hello everyone. When you notice that your ceiling fan is not working, it's not moving fine, then open it. If you are able to pull it down from the ceiling, try it and see. This is the process of how I open the ceiling fan. So to service the ceiling fan, sometimes a ceiling fan may be making noise. So there's things that you need to go through it by servicing it, but you have to pass this process first. After this process, then you get the answer from it. Yeah, removing the pole. And this is where the connection is now. The connection for the capacitor and the light. You have to be very careful to separate them. Each and everyone have their own connection. So know where you connect it last. So then you know how to reconnect it back as it is before. There's three wires on the ceiling fan. Two is for the capacitor and one for the light. Direct. So you have to determine the two other ones that for the capacitor, one for the capacitor and the light together. So these are what it works. This separation should be taken carefully so that you will not make your fan to expose after covering it back after doing your work inside. So you have to separate it according to what you see here, because that is a seal. They seal it from there, but it should be done carefully. Watch how I did my own. Normally a ceiling fan have a double bearing, one for up and one for the down. So you have to identify the one that is making a noise, so that to identify your work doing when you are facing your bearing. Either you change your bearing or you just service it. If the bearing is not bad, then just service it. You'll be very okay with that. What what I did here, I'm applying oil, either a engine oil, or if you have an hydraulic oil or any oil that's amount to engine oil, you can use it and noise will stop. When you observe that the bearing is not bad, then you can use oil to apply. Everything is normalized. So after doing all this, the noise has stopped. So I have to cover the ceiling fan back. You don't have to test it, you have to cover it according to how you met it before you start testing it with light. But the noise has stopped after applying the oil. All noise has stopped, and then your ceiling fan will start working normally.